them get caught in a problem, if you know, so them lock up the little youth, throw him in the system, and just lock him up, and then now it bust out, say him at 17 because the mother video got viral. And now them a try twist it. But you cannot twist say him go adult court before you send him a juvenile. Or it reach there so.
Welcome guys, so just subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet, and we are just jump right in the video topic. So Kashmar, this artist, is located from Portmore, them say, and so far, you know, it's a tragic time and moment due to what happened yesterday, guys. So the artist have passed away, Zume, yeah, and him have hit singles like what them call One Pretty Little Freak, and the next one of me know all of my friend them a BBC banger. You see me? Yeah, so Jaja, it just hard for famine, guys, for know what's happening out there. You see me? Please be safe, artists, guys. We don't know what could have really gone for the dog here right now, but me I say sleep in peace. It's very shocking. You see me? Yeah, it happened yesterday, guys. You see me on Old Harbour. So it's a bad situation. And talking about that, guys, Unknown Gringo, that's the next artist, was in a motor vehicle accident, guys, and you know he's in serious injuries right now, trying to recover. So prayers go out for them. You see me? Peeps. So otherwise from that, I just want to share a quick pic of Kaylan, Dowdie, since, you know, being treated at the hospital, and you know, last picture surfaced, the internet did very you know, sad. Wasn't that appealing, guys, you know? And I'm just kind of happy. I'm very, very happy right now. I'm in a state of mind where I'm like, whoa, this is very beautiful, yo, because our eye look bright, our face is it more look replenished, guys. So we just take the moment, you know, prayers really work, guys. You see me? No joke. Yeah, guys, so who know me know say every end of my video I have a live video. Reason why, because if you enjoy the video, you must enjoy the live. So this is in regards to the 17-year-old will get charged 200G.
Me don't want to talk about who a party was there without mask. Me don't want to talk about that. Me not straight the reasoning. Me a reason right here, so. How it reached to court before you know say another youth real age. First thing, you lock up somebody, right? And you charge them for a crime. You're supposed to call them next of kin, you know. Whether it be him wife, whether it be him mother, whether it be him auntie, him guardian, somebody. He is required to get a phone call. So the phone call there would have you, the officer, talking. Do you know John Tom? Of a 37 Walnut Street address. Person I gonna say yes or no. You gonna say yes, you know him. He gave us this number to call as somebody to call in times of trouble. What is your name? Okay, your name is Elsilda Brown. Elsilda Brown, what is your relation to the accused? Well, I'm a grandson, you know, and him left out this man and I'm in a scene. Well, we have him in custody here at the station, and we need for you to come over here and bring your ID. Am I talking garbage? Am I people wanna tell me I speak rubbish, you know? Wanna tell me if me I speak rubbish? People, please tell me if me I talk foolish, yes or no. People, please tell me if me I talk rubbish or me I make sense. Up on your guardian or your parent or whosoever your emergency contact may be arrives at the station. Now the officer will ask, how old is John Tom? You are going to say John Tom is 25 or 24 or 17 or 13. What is John Tom's real name? That person who come as in the person of contact officer, his name is Jonathan Eswaldo Tom. That's before you write a bail bond and send in a case file. So why it is upon meeting the judge, this youth here, people are find out say I'm 17. People wanna tell me if me attack foolishness, you know. People, remember me not get into the reason why I'm get locked up yet, you know. That I know what we are talking about, you know. We are talking about, say, how this lady I come tell we say, when the adult court, them find out say I'm 17 and send the case, go a juvenile court. Wait a doing an adult court in the first place if the police them did do them job properly. You know, hear me say, Yeti boss, the court is saying it's a lie, but I do not buy what the court is saying. That piece of paper that the lady have, she never write it herself. The piece of paper where the lady have, she did not write it herself. So all I want to talk where the court say, me at this point not care where the court say. Somebody in our justice system a lie. Me not say the little boy mother a lie, because she cannot write that paper herself. That is the whole point. Somebody violated. Somebody not do them work right. Yeah, somebody said them all look out for one another, but them look stupid. It's not looking out for each other the problem, you know. Them look stupid. Because it shows you that up until the level of the judge, no fault upon the job. The police will lock up that youth here. And then carry my station, because sometimes I see police lock you up, right you up, you know. So when the police take him off the road and carry my station, depending if it's the same police write him up or the man at the front desk write him up, them go low. Because them should have take necessary measures this so to find out him real age, him real name, and him address. So from there and then, at the front desk of the station, when you are getting written up, when the reporter write and the case are put together, them would have no say a juvenile court for send it. Wonder if una pre? Una pre what me I say? Una pre what me I say? You cannot mistakenly end up in an adult court if you're underage. That's not a mistake. That's a pure negligence and lack of professionalism. That means, what I'm saying now, people, now if you look on this, you know, that means the most notorious criminal can be abducted on the street for violate the Disaster Preparedness Management Act, get locked up by just laws of the universe, go in a station, tell them lie same name Foota Hype, tell them same at 20 odd, give them wrong address, and them give him bail and make him go on. If that happened to the 17-year-old, per se, let's say, him tell them life and him age and everything, him get bail, and him go home till him go court. So that means, any one of our most notorious criminal them could have go in there. Oh, the police system, I go bank, and you, the criminal, telling them your real name and your real address, all of that. Oh. Oh. I don't know if the judge give him bail or a station bail him getting. I don't know, but I am saying, even if the judge give bail, your case file have to go in for the judge. You have to get charged. Your case file, the report have to there and all of these things. There are ingredients that go into the file that go to the judge. You understand what I say? So that means the mishap and the fault them start up from the front desk of the station. I think what is happening is them get caught in a problem if you know so them lock up the little youth, throw him in the system and just lock him up and then now it bust out say him at 17 because the mother video got viral and now them a try twist it. But you cannot twist say him go to adult court before you send him a juvenile. Oh, it reach there so? Oh, it reach there so? That is a violation of your human rights. Oh, them not ask for the youth ID. And if you know, if him not an ID, you have to hold him at station till him point of contact, him person of contact forward. Them have to go bring either him age paper or him passport or something.